city continue to expand and at exponential rate, the challenge of managing environmental pollution has become more urgent than ever. Rapid urbanization, industrial activity, and population growth have led to severe pollution problems that affect not only in the city residents but also surrounding nature. Ecosystem A, water, soil, noise, and light pollution are increased component public health, biodiversity, and overall environmental quality. Causing the critical situation, the local government has assigned a detective team of environmental experts to invest the root cause, assess the impact, and propose sustainable solution to mitigate pollution. A strategic multi-phase approach is essential to ensure the city's future sustainable and the well-being of its people and ecosystem. Air pollution. Primary causes were emission due to increased number of private and commercial vehicles and industrial discharge from factories, especially those burning fossil fuel. Effect of environment, degradation of air quality, formation of smoke, and acid rain formation. For human health, is respiratory lineal such as asthma, bronchitis, and lung cancer. Cardiovascular problems including heart attack and hypertension. For water pollution, the primary causes discharge of untreated industrial effluent into a river and lake, sewage leak and improper waste management, effect of environment, contaminant of freshwater resource affecting aquatic ecosystem and that of fish and other marine organisms. For human health is waterborne diseases such as cholera, dysentery and typhoid, and process due to heavy metal like lead and mercury. For soil pollution is primary causes improper disposal of industry and household waste. Number 2 is excessive use of chemical fertilization practices and hybrid. Effect on environment, loss of soil, fertilizer affected agrarian output. And for human health is exposure to toxic chemical leading to skin diseases and cancer. For noise pollution is traffic congestion and constant honking. Effect of environment, disturb to wildlife, disturb natural behavior such as mating and migration. Human health is hearing loss and ear damage. Last but not least is light pollution. Over illumination for street light, commercial site and radiation area. Human effect, disturb of human condition leading to sleep disorder. Environment is disturb of nature, wildlife and migration pattern. Pollution control. For air pollution, invested number 1 is electrolysis partition. This is remove fine particles from exhaust gas in power plant. Number 2 is catalytic conversion. It is reduce harmful emission from biological action. For sustainability practice is using public transport or cycling. Next is water pollution. The invested technology is membrane filter system for filter pollution from industrial wastewater. For soil pollution, bioremediation technique for use microbe to clean contaminated soil. For composting organic waste, reduce chemical fertilization and anchor soil. For noise pollution, noise barrier or soundproof panel, elasting along radius or building to block noise. Prevent technology, special raw material that reduce traffic noise. Stabilization practice, urban planning with green zone, adding cross-section to certain house. Last but not least is light pollution. Using smart LED street lamp, turning off unnecessary lighting. For root causes behind increasing pollution level, first is air pollution. Human behavior is existing use of private waste and burning of waste of biomass. The industrial activity is emission of power plant and factories. For water pollution, disposal of household chemical, plastic and oils into drain. Discharges of untreated or properly treatment industrial effluent into water body. For soil pollution, human behavior overuse of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Industrial activity is leaking from landfill or stores. And for noise pollution, human behavior is high volume uses of speaker, firework and vehicle horns. Lack of awareness of noisy equipment in public and resident area. Industrial activity is noise from construction site and heavy machine. Last is light pollution. Human behavior is over limitation of house, commercial place and street. Industrial activity is industrial fertilizer operating continue with bright and lightning. All of this is polluted gap is Weak enforcement or emission standard. Malaysia advanced pollution regulation strategy. For air pollution, we can expand public transportation networking for promoting MRT, LRT, and electric bus for reduced physical emission. For water pollution, infra and upgrade wastewater treatment. Implement mandatory treatment for industrial effluent under Environmental Quality Act (EQA). Soil pollution is promoting organic farming, inviting the resident of chemical input in agriculture. Next is noise pollution. Using urban soundproof pollution, there is required noise barrier near highway and cross-section zone in city plans. Last is light pollution. Use LED lamp for better quality. Now is pollution control measure and suggestion for improvement using emergency technology. Air pollution, physical inspector and emission standard are in place, but monitoring in rural area is still limited. Air pollution, water quality is monitoring by Department of Environment, but incidentally like the Sungai Kim pollution show weakness in enforcement. Soil pollution, there are recycling and waste management program, but e-waste handling and legal dumping remain problem. Noise pollution, there are some law and guideline, but enforcement is weak and there is no national politic for light pollution. For improvement, air pollution, we can use IoT as sensor for real-time monitoring in urban and industrial areas. Water pollution, using smart water sensor in river and treatment plant to detect contaminant instantly. Soil pollution, use soil sensor to monitor nutrient and chemical residue to prevent over-fertilization. Noise pollution, use smart noise sensor to detect expensive noise in real time and guideline local authorities. For conclusion, by integrating technologies such as AI, IoT and renewable energy, Malaysia can ensure pollution monitoring and control, improvement emphasis and data accurate, lastly support both economic growth and environmental protection.